Hello there, welcome to my channel once again, and today I'm going to talk about what we call tab order. Tab order is mainly used on forms, and as you navigate through the system you will be able to control the movement of the cursor from one text box to text field or to another text field. So tab order, as I said, they are on mainly applied on forms. So as you can see, I've developed some forms. This is a form. So tab order means that when I click the tab key, it moves systematically in that order. You can see it moves the next. So it starts here, next, goes here, next, it goes here. Or when you click on enter, enter. So tab key is the key on your keyboard which has one direction facing left, another direction facing right, arrows facing left and arrows facing right. So I'm going to illustrate how you can control the movement of this tab, the movement of the cursor within the text fields. So because you may want maybe the cursor to move from here to here and then to here. Let me assume that I want the cursor to move from there to the address. So in that case, I need to manage it through tab order. Very easy. As you develop your forms, you need to be able to control the order in which your cursor is moving. So when I right click and move to design view, I should be able to manage the movement of my cursor through the different sections, the different text fields. As you can see here, when you look under design, you look on tab order. So this is the order that the cursor is following to move to navigate through my my form, text field by text field. So when I move this address, you click on it, you drag it, you left click and drag it, and I put it there, and I say okay. So and I save this form. The tab order is going to change. So when I click and I click on tab or enter, you see how it jumps direct to Kampala, rather the address to the address field, and it has of course the information to do with Kampala. You see it jumps to that. So because I changed the order of the tab as I indicated here, so the order here matters a lot. So you can see I can move it back where it was, such that the cursor moves in a systematic way, and you realize that this part of developing database is very important, because again you don't want the user to be moving in a very unsystematic way. You want this tab order to be very well organized. So let me reorganize it, and I go to tab order. So pull back this address and email, and I say okay. It should give me an opportunity to save. Yes, save. And I can see that my tab order, let me see whether it's jumping back to Kampala to the address field. You can see now, no, it is because I reorganize the tab order. You realize that I take a bit of time re-explaining, such that it is easier for all of us to get the concept very well. So don't worry, even if I repeat, it is the best way to really share this knowledge. So you see this tab order matter. This is now the order matters a lot in the way the cursor moves. One question someone may ask is that if I don't want my cursor to have a stopover at maybe first name, I want my cursor to first come and start here, and then it hits directly the surname. You'll find those scenarios where I don't want the cursor to have a stopover on first name. That's an example. Assuming that this first name was an auto filled kind of text box. So in that case, it's you need to go to design view. Assuming that I don't want the cursor to jump to first name, you click this and you go to its properties. And you are going to look for tab. I think it's tab order. Let me check. Let's look for tab. I think it's under format. We want to disable tab order. So bear with me. Sometimes I so need to take time to look for these things. Tab other label data, tab index, not that one, tab stop. Yes, here it is under other. So when I say no, the cursor will not land into first name. So let's test and see if our thing is gonna work. So when I double click, so when I click on enter, you see the cursor skips first name. Those are very, very important concepts if you are going to develop robust and user-friendly Microsoft Access applications. So that's how the tab order works. Please make sure that you don't forget to get to the tab order properties and configure things the way you want the cursor to behave. So if I go back and put back my first name, I can say tab stop. Yes, it means that the cursor will stop at that text field. So I think I've explained this very, very well, and I save my form and say yes. Once I say yes, I can check it out. I could as well open from there, and you can see I've taken back my form back to normal. So you can see this is a tab order, the way things move. So you can as well decide to reorganize and start with customer ID, jump to telephone, jump to email, then to address, then jump back to first name, then surname, depending on the order you've set under tab order. Yes, thank you very much. I think that's enough on tab order, and please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more future videos, and don't forget to hit the notification button if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and bye for now.